how to fix yellow screen on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro or the 16 Pro Max. Now there are a number of things that you can try to fix it. So the first solution is try to adjust night shift. So from the home screen, you want to tap on settings. Now in settings, go back to the main settings page. Then we scroll down and tap on display and brightness. So we scroll down and then tap on display and brightness. In here we scroll down and tap on night shift, and at the top here tap on all this schedule and menu. So turn off menu enabled into tomorrow, so switch it off. Now you can see that as soon as I switch this off, the yellow screen will go away. So that is one thing that you could try. Now another thing that you can try is to adjust the true tone. So again, we go into settings. Then in settings, go down and tap on display and brightness. Then we scroll down and you can try to turn off true tone to see if it helps. So you can see here when I turn off true tone, the screen will go a little bit more whiter. So that if that is a preferred color, then you can turn off true tone. You can also readjust the brightness here to see if it make any difference. So here I turn on true tone. You can see when I turn on true tone, the screen will apply a little bit of the yellow tint over the white color. So try to turn that off and see if that helps in your situation. The next thing that you can try to do is to check the accessibility filters. So we're going to go all the way back into settings, and from the settings we go down and tap on accessibility. Then we tap on display and text size. Then we go down and choose color filters. Now if color filter is turned on, sometimes the color tint can cause the screen to go to yellow depending on your settings. So here, depending on your settings up here, it can make the screen go yellow, as you can see. Simply turn off color filters. We adjust your color tint as necessary. You can select a different color mode. So to be sure color filters is not an issue, you can just simply switch it off and see if that helps. So I'm going to turn it off for now. Okay, if that doesn't work so far, then you can try to adjust white point. So in the same location, in uh, accessibility, display and text size, you want to go down and perhaps you want to turn off reduce white point. So in here you can readjust it. For some people, they said that by turning off reduce white point, they have success in removing the yellow screen tint or the yellowish color on the screen. So maybe perhaps turn off white point in display and text size. Another thing that you can check is the software update. So go into settings and then we go down and tap on, so we go into settings, so we go all the way back into settings and then tap on general, and then tap on software update, and make sure you have the latest software update installed on your device. Sometimes the software can have a bug, and if there is a bug, it can cause an issue with the display. So if there are any latest update, try to update them and see if that helps. So here I will tap on the update button now, and that will allow the iPhone to download the software. Once it's finished downloading, it will proceed to install the update. And if you still having issue after trying all those issues, perhaps you may want to inspect your display. Sometimes it could be a hardware failure, especially if you drop your iPhone or if you knock it against a hard surface, it may have an issues. So if adjustments to settings don't solve the issues, the screen might have a malfunction or a manufacturing defect. So in that case, you can try to contact Apple support. If your phone is still under warranty, they may be able to fix it for free. And lastly, there is another option which you can try is to reset all the settings on the device. So we go into General. So from Settings, you go into General, and then tap on Reset at the bottom. So Transfer or Reset iPhone, you tap on that, then you tap on Reset, and then you choose Reset All Settings. Now this option only reset the settings on your iPhone. It does not delete your data. It does not delete photos, email, contacts, any of that will be fine. It simply just reset the settings on your device. So if you are sure to go ahead, enter the PIN or the passcode and proceed to reset your iPhone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.